Today I wanted to show you guys these new meal prep containers that I bought. I got 2 different kits and they're both variety packs, so they both have 60 pieces. I bought 2 different colors. I bought the dark ones because I have 2 teenage boys and then my husband, and then I have the light colors for me and my daughter. So yeah, I thought I'd get a little bit of each. And these, they call these meal prep, but I'm actually gonna be using these for meal prep and for lunches, everybody's lunches, and I'm going to show you guys those in a bit. I think that these are worth it because I'm trying to cut back on eating out. If me and my family of 5 eat out one time, it's $50, and these right here I bought, they're around $50. So I feel like it's worth the price to invest in these. And then I did some research. I was reading up on some of the reviews on like the cheap Walmart ones, and after a while they crack, they bend very easily, so I figured these would be a good investment. A lot of people like these and they're good in the dishwasher. Let's see, they're microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, BPA free. And then you get 3 different styles. You have the 1 compartment, 2 compartment, and then 3 compartment, and that one being the largest. And of course you have the different colors. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys these. Also, you have the portion sizes inside. So if you're really into portioning everything out and measuring and weighing and all that, which I don't do right now, I might get into that, but yeah, it has all that in here for you. So the big one is 4 cups. This one has 2 cups and 1 cup, and then the last one, 2 cups on the side with 1 cup in each of the other compartments. So let me open these up and show you. Okay, so this is the largest compartment. This is the top. And there you go, that's what it looks like. Really pretty color. And like I said, it has all the measurements in here. So if you're into weighing and you're into all that, then that's gonna be perfect for you. And then this goes on just like that. It's really secure. I don't feel like the stuff's gonna come out of here and make a mess. It's actually, yeah, it really stays on really well. Another thing about these, there's 10 lids and 10 bases, and each color will nest inside each other. That's the teal color. And then this is, as you can see, the big difference. There's a pretty big difference in size in these. So this is the 2 compartment. And then this is the green. Very nice colors. Really like these. And this has the 4 cups right in there. And another thing I really like about these and why I bought these is because I like that these have the logo right on the front. Because if you have a lot of lunch containers or meal prep containers, you know that they can get really disorganized really quickly. So I like that these have BENTGO on them. So I know exactly what these go to if I come across a bunch of these. So I know when I pull these out of the dishwasher, then I put these right into the cabinet that I have for all my prep containers. Because it says BENTGO right there, just makes it really easy to keep all this stuff organized. So I thought for me, that's a selling feature. I just don't like having a lot of lids that I can't figure out what it goes to. So as soon as I see this, I know exactly where it goes and how to keep everything organized. I feel like this is gonna save us a lot of money. This is the Rich Shades collection. The other one that I bought is the Floral Pastels collection. And then the third one they had was the Metallics collection. So I bought this one. I really love these colors in here. Let me show you guys the pastel collection. Okay, so it's the same thing, same size containers, same portions. The only difference is you get mint, blush pink, and lilac. So like I said, these ones are the largest containers and these 2 are about the same size, just different compartments. So let me show you guys the colors. Okay, here's the colors. I love these right here. Me and my daughter are gonna share these. Sometimes on Sundays, I'll probably do meal prepping. And by the way, this is only about half. The other half of both of these boxes I've already started using. We started packing lunches a couple days ago. So this is just half of the box. Here is the lilac. Like I said, this is the largest container. Again, you have all the portions in there. And this color is beautiful. Now, as you can see, they're not that easy to bend, which is good. I think these will stand up to a lot of use and in the dishwasher. And I was reading a lot of reviews on Amazon and people really like these. So that's this lilac color. And then you have the mint, the 1 compartment. There you go. And it has the little 4 cups in there. And then last but not least is the blush pink, probably my favorite. The one that I pack in my daughter's lunch because it's nice and compact. For an example, I've already packed her lunch. I put a sandwich right here, and then I have these little dividers to divide it even more. I have these little silicone cupcake little holders, and I already put like grapes in here and a little cuties in here with a sandwich, and it was perfect. But you can divide these even more if you have these little silicone cupcake holders. I'm actually gonna be doing some lunch videos soon to give you guys some examples and some ideas on how to pack some lunches. Actually, let me show you. So yeah, I have half of them in the box, and then the other half I've already put out. So I just have these in a little container. I just pull this out, and then I have these upright. So depending on what size I want for that day, I just grab those. And then on the other side, I have my darker colors. So this just makes it really easy. This little bin's from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'm excited to get into meal prepping and making more lunches and saving some money. So hopefully I will use these for a while. I'm also gonna do some more in-depth reviews as I use them and let you guys know what I think. I'm gonna be making a lot of meal prep, what's in my lunch videos. So you guys are definitely gonna see these. And yeah, I think they are worth the money, especially with everything being so high right now, inflation, eating out, we're really trying to cut back. $50, well, it costs $50 for us to eat out one meal for my family of 5, pizza, Chinese, you know, grabbing lunch when you're out, it just gets really expensive. Hopefully this gives you guys some ideas. And if you guys are trying to save money, then yeah, check these out. I will link these below. Just look out for some videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.